how to sign up to Weverse. So if you want to sign up to Weverse, then first make sure to install the application from your Play Store or your App Store. And once you've installed, you need to open up your Weverse application. And once you've opened, here you can tap on Start Weverse, which is on the bottom of your screen, and then choose your language and tap on Next. And then you can simply tap on Join or Login, which is on the bottom of your screen. And here you need to enter your email address, or you can also continue with your Twitter, with your Google, or with your Apple account. But I'll be entering my email, and you can tap on continue with this email. So if you already have an account with this email, then it will take you to the login page. But if you don't have an account, then it will take you to the sign up page. Tap on continue with this email, and here it says that you can use this email to create an account. So if you want to create an account, then tap on sign up now, which is on the bottom of your screen. And here you need to enter your password. So make sure to enter a strong password with at least 8 to 32 characters. And it should include one letter or one number or one symbol. So enter your password. So enter your password or create your password on these two blanks. And once you enter your password twice, you need to tap on next, which is on the bottom of your screen. And then you need to enter a nickname. So simply choose a nickname. And then you need to tap on next, which is on the bottom of your screen again. And here you need to tap on the circle so that you agree to the terms and conditions. And again, tap on next. And here you need to verify your email address. So you can go back, and here you will receive an email. So tap on that email, and you need to complete your verification. So tap on verify email, and that's it. You have successfully joined the Weverse. So that's how you create your Weverse account. And now you can go back to the login page, and you can log into your account. So that's it. That's how you sign up to Weverse. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.